If you need to disable two-factor authentication on your Shopify account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Access security settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. Click on it to view your current security settings, including the two-factor authentication option. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, you should see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Click on the toggle or button to turn it off. You may be prompted to enter your password or a verification code to confirm this action. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure that you receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been turned off. Review your security settings to ensure everything is as you want. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Shopify account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.